Iran is being pounded, attacked for a third day. The military might of the United States focused upon degrading the country that it portrays as the nexus of evil in the Middle East. On the ground, there is widespread destruction. The Iranian authorities say hundreds have been killed. But America's leaders are wholly unapologetic. They are bullish, and they show no appetite for stopping.
We continue this mission with ferocious, unyielding resolve to crush the threat this terrorist regime poses to the American people, and a threat indeed it is. Right from the beginning, we projected 4 to 5 weeks, but we have capability to go far longer than that. We'll do it.
Iran insists that it is the innocent party here, that the war against it is unjust and illegal.
The ongoing unlawful military aggression against Iran exemplifies the dominance of raw power over the principles of human rights.
Iran has responded with attacks of its own, this a strike on the Israeli town of Beersheva. Israel's air defense have coped with almost everything, but not all missiles can be stopped. The country is still shaken by the attack that killed 9 when a missile hit a bunker in Beit Shemesh. Today, the Prime Minister visited the site.
When I stand here in a place that was bombarded by the terrorists in Tehran against innocent civilians, you see the difference. The tyrants of Tehran target civilians. We target the tyrants of Tehran to protect civilians.
Well, that smoke trail up there is what's left of the Israeli air defense system intercepting an Iranian missile, part of a wave that is coming into Israel as we speak. But it isn't just this country that is being attacked. Iran's tactic is to try to embroil this whole region into a conflict. And the Middle East is in a febrile state. Israel has launched a huge assault on Lebanon, targeting Hezbollah, a group funded by Iran, which attacked northern Israel this morning. In Cyprus, the UK's Akrotiri airbase was hit by a drone attack. In Kuwait, 3 American fighter jets were shot down accidentally by Kuwaiti air defences. The crew all ejected safely. The conflict has touched Saudi Arabia for the first time, debris sparking a fire next to a giant oil refinery. The price of oil is already going up, and now Qatar has said it will halt production of natural gas. The country has also said it shot down 2 Iranian fighter jets, Russian-made Su-24s. Iran has launched attacks in Bahrain, in Dubai, and in Abu Dhabi. There are interceptions of missiles in the sky over Jordan. This is a conflict that is widening and which may escalate. Donald Trump says it will last at least 4 weeks, but the effects of this war may ripple for generations to come. Adam Parsons, Sky News, Jerusalem.